This teenager from Donga local government area of Taraba State, identified as Charity Tehemba, is a survivor of gender-based violence. She's said to have escaped rape by her guardian, who is her uncle. Her accusations led to an attack by his wife, who mutilated her face with a razor blade in defense of her husband. Her uncle is at large, while his wife is in police custody.
From nowhere, the auntie was coming. Then my junior sister was not saying Sano auntie, but I did not know the person that she was greeting. I thought it's somebody that is passing. Then she now said, "Where is your senior sister? Where is your auntie?" She now points her hand on our door. Then the auntie now went inside our bedroom. Then she now slapped me. I turned to see the person that had slapped me. Then I now saw it was her. Then she now hold her hand on my neck. Then we start fighting each other inside our room. Then we come outside. My leg, there was water on our corridor. Then I now fell down. Then she now sit on top of me. Then she now removed the knife. Then she was trying to choke. Then her friend now said, no. Then she now dropped the knife and used the razor blade on me. That's what happened.
The state government invited the survivor and her family to Jalingo, the state capital, for rehabilitation. The National Human Rights Commission and International Federation of Women Lawyers also weigh in on the case.
It is a matter of great concern that violence against women and girls is one of the most widespread, ongoing and uncertain human rights violations. The worst part of it remains that largely is unreported due to silence and shame attached to it, whether stigma or discrimination. Today, however, with this meeting is to promote equality, peace, justice, freedom, and protection of humanity to those affected, especially our sister from Donga.
We are of the knowledge that the survivor's guardian was intimidated to withdrawing the matter. However, this is to the general public that when we have a criminal matter, it is beyond the family of the survivor. That matter is against the state. And so such matters are not meant for mediation. You can't mediate criminal cases. Whoever is found guilty will face the full wrath of the law. As we move forward with legal proceedings to bring the perpetrator to justice, we are of the opinion that the husband of the perpetrator should be arrested. Because one, under the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Law 2021, which has been domesticated here in Taraba State, he has committed an offense of attempted rape. What would a man be doing with a minor?
The Taraba State Ministry of Women Affairs and Child Development insists it will join forces with other agencies and NGOs to ensure that no perpetrator is spared in all matters relating to gender-based violence.
The ministry remains fully committed to ensuring justice for Iwasim, working closely with security agencies to ensure all perpetrators are brought to book. We affirm our resolve to protect the dignity, safety and right of every girl and woman in Taraba State.
Meanwhile, the state government, through the Office of the Wife of the Governor, warns that it will no longer tolerate any acts of GBV going forward, and the arrest of the perpetrator in this case will serve as a deterrent to others.
The Taraba State government is committed to upholding the honor and dignity of women and children. On this note, I wish to announce that His Excellency, the Governor of Taraba State, Dr. Abu Kefas, has directed the enrollment of the survivor into a scholarship scheme and other benefits to give the survivor and her family a sense of belonging. This is to sound a warning to everyone out there that anyone found wanting shall not be spared.
The state is also taking deliberate steps to fight the case to a logical conclusion and warns that no perpetrator or accomplice will be spared in the delivery of justice.